excited to be back here in Tel Aviv. It's an awesome place to come visit. We were here a year ago. We've been doing a series of events, OpenStack events across Europe. There was one last Monday in Budapest. There was one in Paris on Wednesday. In Italy, in Milan, they had the first OpenStack day in Italy on Friday. And then we went back to Paris to fly here, and El Al wanted to know what we were doing. What I wanted to talk about today was something that's bigger than OpenStack. And it's a trend that as we travel around and we talk to people all over the world, we talk to businesses all over the world, more and more what we're seeing is what I like to call the software-defined economy. You know, it's not just about software-defined networking or storage or the data center. It really reaches into every aspect of our life and of the economy now. You don't really typically want a cloud just to have a cloud. You want to have a cloud to do something with it. You want to have a cloud for that box at the top there that says your applications. Your applications is actually kind of the whole point of this. I enjoy making making the joke that my mom likes to ask me if she can install OpenStack, at home, if she can use this thing I work on, and I'm like, well, I mean, yes.
Every vendor in the world needs to understand how their products will fit into an OpenStack world, because to the extent that people are running their own infrastructure, we believe they will be running it with OpenStack. OpenStack is going to be at the center of all private infrastructure and a lot of public infrastructure in years to come. So the energy that you see here really is driving driving that.
You're the guy with the helmet. You're basically the driver of a top-notch technology called OpenStack, right? You always want top-notch performance. You always want all the little knobs to configure your system and to configure your environment according to your very complex and specific needs. And obviously, I've been talking a lot to users and to customers. And obviously, there are like thousands of permutations for OpenStack. Everyone can configure each service to his own individual needs and so on. So OpenStack is fairly complex and high-speed moving vehicle, and basically you're the driver around it, and you're interacting with your steering wheel, which is basically the controller. I'm sure most of you who installed OpenStack basically just had a controller and a bunch of compute nodes controlling those compute nodes, and that would be KVM or Docker or wherever underneath technology for running the actual instances.